Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning the short summary of the chapter Father to Son. This chapter is written by the author Elizabeth Jennings. This chapter deals with the anguish of a father who lacks a good relationship with his son. The poet shares his feeling regarding the relationship with his son. The poet explains that he and his son have spent many years in the same house. However, in spite of spending so many years together, the father still doesn't understand his son. Furthermore, the father doesn't know anything about his son. He doesn't know what his son likes or what is his dislikes. The father made an effort to build up a relationship with his son since he was small. However, over the years, change has come in his son. As a grown up man, his son certainly has changed. The father acknowledges his role in the communication gap between him and his son. He explains that despite his efforts, things are not turning to his side. He says that his son was in a place that he could not assess. Furthermore, the father tells us that their communication is like the communication of strangers. It seems there is not much attachment between the two. Moreover, there has been no signs of understanding between the father and the son. His child had a resemblance in appearance with his father. However, in spite of this resemblance in appearance, the father didn't know what his son loved. There is silence between the father and the son. As a child, his son was of a prodigal nature. His father had a desire for his son to return home, the one he knew. The father does not want his son to move around in the world and make his own world. The father was willing to express his forgiveness to his son. Furthermore, the father was willing to let go of the sorrows that he had inside of him due to the existing distance between them. The father certainly had a desire of love him again. Now the son speaks for the first time and expresses his feelings. Furthermore, the son has a feeling of sadness about the distance between them. Furthermore, the son tells that he is at a point in his life where he does not understand himself. Moreover, the son explains that his anger is due to sadness. Hence, it becomes pretty clear that both the father and the son feel the same frustration due to this gap in the relationship. Also, both the father and son are willing to forgive each other. However, they are failing to find a solution to their problem. Both of them put out an empty hand for each other, but in futility. This chapter throws light on a damaged relationship between a father and a son.